The Kenya Revenue Authority has impounded 3 high-end vehicles at the port of Mombasa after they were misdeclared as household goods. Now, the taxman says the 3 vehicles, a Range Rover Sport, Range Rover Vogue and Land Rover Discovery, were imported from the UK. Now, the vehicles were concealed in 2 containers, and KRA says the containers were opened when scanner images failed to match with the information on the import documents. Documents indicate that the containers were on transit to Uganda, and the authority said during the cargo verification process, scanner images did not match with the information in the importation documents.